I got this toolbox yesterday at an auction apparently got it for free because nobody else wanted it. I was gonna give a few bucks for it maybe. It needed a little work. I already started a little bit on it, but they wanted, I think they said like 10 bucks. I was like, that's a little much for what it seemed to be the shape of it. And they just moved on, and the owner of the place just said, no, you can have it. And it took two of us to move it. It probably weighs, I thought 80 pounds. The other person said probably like 130 pounds. It's just a little benchtop toolbox. Never even heard of the brand. REM line. It's a little beat up. I just started on it. This was dinged in. This was messed up. I couldn't even close it all the way. There was fiberglass mouse nest or something behind the drawers there. Most of these work fine. I'll have to clean them out. There's probably dirt and stuff in there. A few of these need a little work. They come out a little far. Or too far rather. This one needs a little work. It just falls off the rail on there. That should be easy enough to fix. This one hits this. I think they think that it's just warped and binged up so it doesn't close right. But I don't have a key to it either, but seems like a nice enough toolbox. I was kind of looking for something like this because it's just something for storing wrenches and sockets and whatnot like that. I have a little different one, but it's only got 3 drawers in a top unit, and it's got 2 in a bottom base and a big storage compartment. But this was, I was a little leery at first, and that's why I didn't really bid on it because it's pretty dinged up, and I don't know what's going on too. I think it's sloping towards the front for some reason. I don't know if it's missing feet or what on the front. I just put these little 1x pieces under it, and it seems to make it a little bit level, more level. So it looks to be steel. It's rusting a little bit, so it's probably why it's so heavy. It's an REM line. XQL 6000 maybe? Chicago. I've never even heard of this brand, but it seems like it's well built.